It's a brand new sunny day. It's a brand new vlog. So ayan mga kamisis, papunta kami ngayon sa we're going to see the beavers, if we can see it, because they recently introduced
beavers.
Yeah, so they recently introduced beavers here in Shrewsbury. So we're gonna take a look if we can see it, because there's like a what is it, like a boardwalk, wooden thingy that you can walk, isn't it?
Yes, there's a wooden thingy.
So yeah, wee. Oh, see, it holds. So yeah, let's see if we can see the beavers. Ang ganda ng panahon mga kamisis, and sign of spring is already here. We can see some blossoms already. It's really nice, isn't it, baby?
Yes.
So ayan, yan. Naglalakad lang kami
What does
papunta.
sayan mean?
Ayan.
Sayan.
So ayun. So ayan. So ayan.
You say it about 5,000 times in every vlog. What does it mean?
So ayan, it's like, there you go. It's
Right.
like that.
Right.
Yeah. So, or like, here it is, like that.
Right.
So ayan. We're already walking in the, going to the old riverbed where we can like cross the old
Why are
river.
we walking here rather than just there? On
Yeah,
lovely tarmac?
because it's a bit muddy. Muddy siya mga kamisis. So yeah.
Action.
So ayan mga kamisis, nandito na tayo sa old riverbed. So yan, medyo mahaba-haba. This is a bit of a long walk from here to there. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna see the beavers because it's, you know, covered in loads of, what is it, grass?
Yeah, that's close enough, isn't it?
Yeah, grass and trees and twigs and stuff like that.
Yeah, there's no chance of seeing them.
Yeah, maybe they're just resting or still discovering their new home. Isn't it? It's nice, isn't it?
It's lovely.
So ayan mga kamisis, nandito pa rin kami sa may footpath, and ayan yung itsura. Ano na to, mabato na. Rough road na siya, hindi na siya yung, what do you call that? The
What?
bridge. Boardwalk, isn't it?
Yeah, walkway,
Yeah.
boardwalk.
Boardwalkway. So yun. We didn't really go across because the end of this one is, the other end is just the main road. So we're going back now to the car, and yeah, we didn't see the beaver because
Yeah, but we knew that we wouldn't, to be fair.
yeah, we know that we wouldn't.
There's
because
two of them and it's an enormous...
yeah, it's an enormous place for them, for just the two of them, so we can't really see them. Maybe in few years when they have what is it,
cubs.
when they have cubs already and then they're playing and stuff like that, maybe we can see them. But yeah, but it's nice to know that they're just there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it's a
because also they got extinct here in England
Yeah.
for how many years? Is
Uh,
it decades?
about 500 years, isn't it?
Is it 500? Oh, because they used to
Well, they hunted
hunt them.
for their fur and meat.
Yeah.
And
they-
apparently their scent glands as well, which I assume is used in
Oh.
perfume or something, I don't know. But
Right. So the beaver so the beaver that introduced here came from Scotland. Is it Scotland?
from Scotland, but I think the ones that are in Scotland,
Are
I
also,
think they came from Canada, I think.
oh, they came, oh, okay.
Or some, yeah, I'm not sure.
So yeah, So there you go. We're going to another place. We'll see you there in a bit.
We put a plant in a pot and put it in sunlight and water and it fucking dies.
So ayan, nandito na kami mga kamisi sa garden center. So ang dami na ayun, punong-puno na ng flowers. Ang ganda. Ang bango pati.
No, we don't.
Yeah, because we need soil. So ayan mga kamisis, nandito kami, ayan nga, ang dami ng mga flower. Sa sobrang dami, hindi ko na alam kung ano ang pipiliin ko. Kasi sobrang dami talaga niya. Tignan nyo. Ito yung dating, at feeling ko ito yung dating meron ako. Ito. Ano bang itsura niyan? Oh yeah, this one. This one, I've had that yellow one before. Oh, I think I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get this one. Because that one is the one that's really nice. So, ayan, may mga fresh herbs sila dito. That
Try
one
that.
is
Thyme.
thyme
Different
as
type.
well. Yeah, you can eat it.
Sweet,
Ooh.
isn't it?
Oh, that's really good. Ayan, ang dami nila. Mga thyme. Oh, lahat yan. Different kinds of
That
Thyme.
tastes absolutely fantastic.
Yeah. I think you put it on your salad, isn't it? Good. It's like minty though.
I don't think it's minty. It's like
So, yan naman yung sage. Ayan. So, ayan may mga maliliit sila dyan. May mga cauliflower. Yan, vegetable strips nakalagay dyan. Vegetable plants. So, ayan Yan, mga lettuce yata. Yeah, lettuce naman yung mga yan. Lettuce. Lahat yan ay lettuce. And then, dito naman sa side na ito ay mga radish. Yung maliliit na radish. Ayan, yung ganyan. Ganyan, yung mga bilog na radish. And then, carrots. Ayan, may carrots sila dyan. Nakakatuwa, mga seedlings. Yan, Ayan naman, garlic. Ah, baby, there's garlic here. Garlic. I can already smell it.
Can you?
Go
yeah.
here.
Oh, yeah,
Yan
you can. Yeah.
Very strong. So, ayan, dito naman yung mga compost nila. So, ayan, mga dami sila, mga bag dyan. Meron mga 2 for 12 pounds. May 2 for 15. 2 for 16. Iba-iba pa nga. Ayan, Pero yan yata yung kukunin namin ni Mr. Kasi parang 2 for 15 ito. And then, kukuha rin kami ng tomato. Ayan, may tomato sila dyan, Kaya, hindi ko alam kung yan ang kukunin namin or kukuha kami ng seedlings ng tomato. We're gonna see. So, ayan mga kamisis, nakauwi na kami. Nandito na kami sa bahay. And medyo kanina pa. Siguro mga 4:15 ng hapon. Kasi yung, ano bang tawag doon? Kasi yung garden center ay magsasara ng 4:30. So, before magsara is umalis na kami. And then, hindi ko na i-haul yung mga pamilya namin kasi i-vlog ko siya sa next vlog ko, sa susunod na vlog after nito. Yan, magtatanim tayo sa labas, mag-gardening tayo sa labas. And then, ito lang ipapakita ko sa inyo kasi ito lang yung nandito sa loob. So, meron kaming kinuhang sunflower starter kit with mini propagator. So, ayan. Propagator. Ayan, ganyan ang itsura niya. So, para siyang maliit na seedling kineme. Ganyan ang itsura niya. So, ayan. Yan. Tutubigan mo lang siya and then mag-expand na siya. Then, eto yung seed. So, bumili kami ng, ng cherry tomato and then isang sunflower. So, yan, dalawa. Itatanim natin to sa day off ko kasi wala na akong time today kasi magluluto pa ako ng aming, hindi pala ako magluluto kasi wala kaming rice. So, ayan, yun nga, hindi ko na muna siya itatanim kasi alas 5 na, wala na akong time para itanim. So, itatanim ko siya sa aking next day off. So, kasi tapos na nga. Gusto ko namang mag-relax ng konti kasi tomorrow is balik trabaho na naman ako. So, ayan, hindi rin ako magluluto kasi sabi ni Mr. is mag-order na lang kami ng food, ng takeaway kasi nga, ano ko naman na, huling araw ko na to sa aking holiday. So, yeah. And then, ayan, mag-ano lang ako dito. Iaayos ko lang ang aming fridge kasi meron ditong mga meat na kailangan nang ilagay sa freezer. Ayan, meron kaming, magluluto sana ako ng ano bang tawag doon? Ayan, ilalagay ko to sa freezer. Kasi baka siya ay masira na. So, ayan. And then this one as well. And then this one as well. So, yan, ilalagay ko siya sa freezer. And then, yan, iayos ko tong aming fridge. And then, dito ko na rin i-end ang aking vlog. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin. Sa amin ni Mr. O, diba, may contribution na naman si Mr. sa ating vlog for today. So, ayan, maraming salamat and sana nag-enjoy kayo and I will see you on my next vlog. Mag-gardening tayo. Bye, guys! Thank you for watching and yeah, mag-ingat tayong lahat. Bye!